In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between stream and mirror mode in Google Drive for desktop. This process is really handy if you want to manage how your files are stored and accessed on your computer, and it gives you the flexibility to choose between saving space or having offline access to your files. Let's break it down step by step. To begin, you'll need to open Google Drive for desktop on your computer. Once you have it launched, look towards the top right of the window. There, you'll find the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Preferences. This will take you into a menu where you'll have a variety of options for how Google Drive interacts with your system. Next, you'll notice there are a few options on the left sidebar. For our task, you'll want to click on Folders from Drive or something similar that refers to My Drive syncing options. It might be worded slightly differently, but it's typically straightforward to identify. Once you're in the right section, you'll see the main options for syncing your files: Stream files and mirror files. Let me give you a quick rundown on each. When you choose Stream files, your files primarily stay in the cloud. The local storage on your computer is used only when you open or set specific files for offline access. This is a great option if you're looking to save space on your hard drive. On the other hand, selecting mirror files means that your files are stored both in the cloud and on your computer, so you always have access to them offline. This is useful if you frequently find yourself working without an internet connection. Now, what if you're switching from stream mode to mirror mode? It's simple. Just choose the mirror files option and then close the Google Drive for desktop application. This will enable it to start syncing the files to your local computer, creating copies of everything you've stored in the cloud. However, if you're switching from mirror mode back to stream mode, there's a bit of preparation involved. Make sure that all your local files are fully synced with the cloud. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and select Stream files. It's important to then close and restart the application. You might also need to remove the old mirrored folder from your computer, but only do this if the system suggests it. This helps free up some space and ensures everything is operating smoothly. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to toggle between storing files locally and keeping them mostly in the cloud. Whether you're looking to conserve space or need constant file access, these options provide you with flexibility and ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.